In this video, I'll show you how to fix Fortnite Win64 Shipping.exe launching error. Now the way that we can do this is first we want to come down here and search for our device manager. Open it up and find our display adapters and make sure you update your driver. After that you can open up CMD as an administrator. And once you have it here, what you want to type is type sfc/scan now and press enter and wait for it to scan. Now once it's done scanning, what you can do is find your Fortnite folder. So open up your PC. Usually it's on the C drive, but I specifically downloaded mine on the D drive, so I'll find it in here. But usually it's on your C drive. Now usually it's under C drive and program files, but like I said, I have mine right here. So go to Epic Games first. In here you want to launch Fortnite game, find binaries and delete this one. Then come back and go into engine and delete binaries in here as well. Now if you cannot delete it, it's because you have your Epic Games open, so make sure you close it down by exiting here or going to Task Manager and ending it. Now once you've done that, what you want to do is relaunch Epic Games on a new one. Head over to your Fortnite right here and it should say repair. Now once you repair it, what you want to do is come down in here and go to manage. Click on verify files simply by clicking here and check if it works now. Now if it still doesn't work, the last option you can do is allow it through your firewall. Search for Windows Defender Firewall, allow an app, change setting and look if you already have Fortnite in here. Now, as you can see, I already have Fortnite, so make sure you tick both of these. If you cannot find Fortnite in here, you want to press allow another app, browse, and then go exactly into the same folder as we just deleted the binaries. So Epic Games, Fortnite game. Then you want to go into the binaries folder that you deleted before, but when you repair your Fortnite and you launch it, it should regenerate itself. So then you want to open it, Windows 64, and then click on this one. Press open and it should be added in here. And then you can just tick it on both private and public. Now after you've done that, it should hopefully work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.